Hey friends, welcome back to My Bilingual Life.
Today, we've got a topic that can change the way you learn, how to rewire your brain for English.
Sounds scientific, right? Don't worry, we'll keep it simple, friendly, and super practical.
If English sometimes feels hard, slow, or scary, this one's for you.
We'll talk about what rewiring really means, why English can feel difficult, how habits help, simple daily practices, mindset shifts, tools and techniques, and a small week-long challenge.
And yes, we've got a mini quiz with answers right after each question. Ready? Let's go.
First, what does rewire your brain mean?
Think about streets in a city. The streets you use every day get wider and faster.
Your brain works like that. When you repeat something, your brain builds a stronger road for it.
So if you listen to English often, speak out loud daily, and read a little each day, your brain builds faster roads for English.
At first, the road is small and slow. With practice, it becomes a highway.
That's all rewiring means, creating better paths for English.
Now, why does English feel hard sometimes?
First, your brain likes what it already knows, your first language. New sounds and rules feel uncomfortable.
Second, fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of speaking, fear of not understanding.
Third, habits. If you always translate in your head, your brain gets used to that slow route.
The good news is you can change all three with small daily actions.
Let's talk about habits. A habit is something you do almost automatically. Brush your teeth, check your phone, make coffee.
Your brain loves habits because they save energy, so we'll build tiny English habits you can stick with.
If you repeat a small English action every day, even 5 to 15 minutes, your brain says, "Oh, we do this. Let's make it easier."
That's rewiring in real life.
Daily practices you can start today.
Number 1, listen every day. 10 to 30 minutes is great. You can listen while cooking, walking, or commuting.
Podcasts, short videos, songs with lyrics, whatever you enjoy. The key is consistency.
Number 2, speak out loud every day, even alone. Describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast. I'm sending a message.
Or repeat short sentences from something you listen to. This is low pressure and powerful.
Number 3, use English in real life. Put small labels on objects, write short to-do lists in English, change one app to English.
Number 4, read out loud. A short paragraph daily connects written words to your speaking.
Number 5, microjournal. 2 or 3 sentences about your day. Keep it simple. Today I learned 3 new words. I felt nervous in a meeting, but I spoke once.
Let's talk mindset, how you talk to yourself.
The sentence in your head matters. If you say, I'm bad at English, your brain listens.
Try this instead. I'm getting better every day.
Or, I speak to communicate, not to be perfect.
Mistakes are data. They show you what to practice next.
Celebrate tiny wins, like, I understood 1 more sentence today.
Progress, not perfection. Let's talk about tools and techniques to boost your practice.
Language apps can help you review a little every day and keep a streak.
Flashcards, digital or paper, are great for vocabulary. Use example sentences, not just single words.
Immersion tricks. Follow one English creator on social media, set your phone assistant to English, or watch a show with English subtitles.
Shadowing. Listen to a short clip and repeat it immediately, copying rhythm and intonation.
Guided practice. Choose one focus per day. Questions, past tense, or describing a picture for 60 seconds.
Mindful learning. Take a deep breath, clear your mind, and focus for 5 minutes. Calm focus equals better memory.
Okay, time for a quick role play of small daily habits. Morning, I'll listen to English for 10 minutes while I make coffee.
Lunch, I'll read one paragraph out loud.
Afternoon, I'll write 2 lines in my journal.
Evening, I'll shadow 1 minute of audio.
Total time? Around 15 to 20 minutes.
Impact? Big.
Another role play. Speaking out loud alone.
I'm opening my laptop. I'm writing an email.
I feel a little nervous, but I will try.
See, you're practicing vocabulary, grammar, and confidence at the same time.
Keep it short and daily.
Now, mini quiz time. We'll give the answer right after each question.
Ready. Question 1. You don't understand a sentence in a podcast. What do you say out loud to keep your brain learning? A. I don't get it. B. Can you repeat that, please?
Answer: can you repeat that, please? It trains a helpful reflex for real conversations.
Question 2. You translate everything in your head and it feels slow. What's a better habit? A. Keep translating forever. B. Think short thoughts in English during the day, like, it's sunny, I'm hungry, I'm late.
Answer: think short thoughts in English during the day. Tiny sentences build fast brain roads.
Question 3. You're afraid to speak in a meeting. What's a simple first line? A. Stay silent. B. I have a quick question.
Answer: I have a quick question. Short, polite, and it gets your voice in the room.
Question 4. You want vocabulary to stick. What helps more? A. Reading long lists once. B. Reviewing flashcards with example sentences a few minutes each day.
Answer: reviewing flashcards with example sentences daily. Small, repeated reviews win.
Question 5. You feel discouraged. Which mindset helps? A. I'm bad at English. B. I'm getting better every day.
Answer: I'm getting better every day. Your brain follows your focus.
If you got them all, great. If not, you still learned the best answer for each situation.
That's rewiring. One tiny choice at a time.
Let's make a one-page action plan you can remember.
Step 1. Choose 2 daily habits. For example, listen 10 minutes and speak out loud for 2 minutes.
Step 2. Put them in your schedule. Morning coffee equals listening. After lunch equals reading out loud.
Step 3. Track it. Make a tiny checklist.
Step 4. Celebrate micro wins.
Step 5. Adjust, don't quit. If you miss a day, just start again tomorrow.
Common questions. What if I feel too busy?
Do micro sessions. 3 minutes listening plus 1 minute shadowing.
What if I feel shy?
Practice alone first. Then 1 sentence in a meeting. I agree with that point. Or, can you repeat that, please?
What if I forget new words?
Use them in a sentence that same day, then review with flashcards.
Let's give you some sentence starters you can use this week.
I have a quick question.
Could you repeat that, please?
I think this works.
I'm still learning this. Can you show me the best way?
Can we try a small test first?
Great idea. Maybe we can also try...
I'll send an update by 3 p.m.
I need a little more time. Can we move the deadline to tomorrow morning?
Short sentences. Big progress.
Tiny practice scenes you can copy.
Scene 1. Listening habit. I'm starting the timer for 10 minutes. Let's go.
Scene 2. Speaking habit. I'm washing the dishes. I'm almost done. I'll read a paragraph next.
Scene 3. Mindset reset. Today I showed up. I learned one thing. I'll try again tomorrow.
These are simple and powerful.
Want a quick speaking drill? Repeat after the pause.
I'm getting better every day.
I can ask one question.
Short practice works.
Mistakes help me learn.
I'm building new brain roads.
Say them again later today.
A note about speed. You don't have to speak fast to sound good.
Clarity is attractive. Short sentences are your friend.
Breathe, pause, and smile.
Communication is connection, not perfection.
Let's talk about staying motivated.
Motivation comes and goes. Habits keep going.
That's why we choose tiny, repeatable actions.
On tired days, do the smallest version, 1 minute.
Keep the chain alive. That's how you win.
Quick recap.
Rewiring means building faster brain roads with repetition.
English feels hard because your brain likes the old route, fear shows up, and habits may be slowing you down.
You can change it with daily listening, speaking out loud, reading out loud, tiny journaling, and real-life use.
Use tools you enjoy. Apps, flashcards with sentences, immersion tricks, shadowing, and mindful focus.
Protect your mindset. Choose thoughts that help you act.
Ready for a tiny 7-day challenge?
Day 1, listen 10 minutes and write 2 sentences in your journal.
Day 2, shadow 1 minute of audio and label 3 objects at home in English.
Day 3, read 1 short paragraph out loud and speak 1 sentence in a real conversation or meeting.
Day 4, review 5 flashcards with example sentences and think in English for 5 minutes during a walk.
Day 5, write 3 micro sentences about your day and ask 1 polite question in English.
Day 6, repeat your favorite practice from earlier in the week and track your win.
Day 7, do a 5-minute mix session. Listen 2 minutes, shadow 1 minute, read out loud 1 minute, journal 1 minute.
Then celebrate. You did 7 days. Your brain is already building those new roads.
Final encouragement.
You're not bad at English. You're building a new path.
Keep it small. Keep it daily. Keep it kind.
We believe in you.
And we're proud of your effort.
See you next time.
See you next time.